Hello, we are told to solve for x. Okay, now we have 3 over 2 all raised to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 16 over 81. Now let's go. Solution. Now we have 3 over 2 all raised to the power of x plus 1 is equal to, now 16 over 81. We want to write 16 over 81 what? In index format. Okay, so 16 in an index form is what? 2 raised to the power of 4. Okay, that is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 would give us what? 16 all over 81 in an index form is what? 3 raised to the power of 4 also. Okay, yeah, so now we have this and their powers are the same. So what do? We can go ahead to write this as 2 over 3 all raised to the power of 4 because their powers are the same according to the law of what? Indices. Okay, so we have 3 over 2 is equal, all raised to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 2 over 3 is equal to 2 over 3 all raised to the power of 4. Okay, now we want the bases to be the same. Okay, so what do to this to make the base of this to be the same as this? What do? We just take the inverse and introduce what? A negative sign. Okay, there's a lot of indices which says that 1 over a raised to the power of n is equal to a raised to the power of negative n. Okay, now when you want to take the inverse of this, you just introduce what? A negative sign. Okay, so also when you want to remove the negative sign, also take the inverse of this. Okay, so now we want to take the inverse of this, we want to turn it upside down. So what do? We now introduce what? It will now be 3 over 2 all raised to the power of x plus 1 is equal to, now we turn it upside down and introduce a negative sign. So it will now be 3 over 2. Okay, you see we have turned it upside down, we have taken the inverse. So it's now 3 over 2 raised to the power of negative 4. Okay, raised to the power of negative 4. So now the bases are the same. So we can go ahead to equate what? The powers. So it will now be x plus 1 is equal to negative 4. Now we bring like terms together. So x is equal to negative 4 minus plus positive 1 crossing over becomes negative 1. Okay, so x is equal to negative 5. So our value of x is negative 5. Thanks for watching.